Today in this video we will learn how to get a square of a number। तो हम लोग किस तरह से किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर इजी वे में प्राप्त कर सकते हैं उसको हम लोग इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे। तो स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर सीखते हैं। तो we all know that square of one digit number means 1 square is equal 0 1, 2 square is equal 0 4, 3 square is 0 9 and 4 square is 1 6। तो remember that when we use this square the 0 1 2 digit यूज करेंगे हम लोग इसमें। इसी तरह से 9 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल 81। तो 2 डिजिट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे जब हम लोग 1 से 3 तक जब स्क्वायर यूज करेंगे तो हम लोग 2 डिजिट इस्तेमाल करेंगे। नाउ वी लर्न व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर। मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्वायर इज व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाइड a number or a constant or a variable with itself, this is called the square of a number or variable or a constant। Like this, suppose the number is 1, then square of 1 is equal 1 into 1 square of any variable like x, we write x into x। Square of any constant is we write k into k। Then square of a number is written as we raise the power 2। तो 1 raised to power raised to power। Similarly, square of x is written as x raised to power 2। Square of a constant we write square of k raised to power 2। Square means we raise the power, we write the number or a constant a variable by raising a power 2। Now we learn how to square a number only in a simple steps, in a simple way। Like if we want to square a number, this 11, these numbers are called decimal numbers। We want to square a decimal number 11, then we use first we write down here the square of the 1 or taking 2 digits 0, and then in this place we write the square of again this number, that is again 1, you can write here 0। Now put a cross at the unit place of this number, and then we multiply this all these numbers 1 into 1 into 2, we get 2, and place this 2 in this place and add up this number 1 to 1। So we get square of 11 is 1 to 1। In this method we can get square of any number। Suppose we want to square a 78 square, so first we write the square of 8 is 64 and square of 7, square of 8 is 64, square of 7 is 49। Put a cross just under the unit place of this number, and now multiply this all these numbers 8 7 8 into 2, we get 7 at the 56 to the 112, and put this 112 lower these digits under the digit 1 1 2। So and now add up these two numbers 4 6 to 8 9 1 10 0, carry 1 4 1 5 or 1 6, we get 6084। Then 78 square is equal 78 square is equal आ जाएगा 6084. That is the simplest method and easy steps we can take here to get a square of a number. So this method can be used in any number, and it is very simple for 2 digit. This number can be used in any number, but it is very easy to get this square of a 2 digit number. Suppose that I want to square 39, then we put here the square of the 9, 81, square of the 3 is 9 or 09 you can say. Now multiply this 3 into 9 into 2. So 3, 9, 3 is 27, 27 2 is 54, 54. So we can write here, put a cross under this unit place and 54. Now add up these numbers 1, 2, 9, 9, 5, 14 or 1. 14, 1, 15. So the square of the 39 is 1521. So this is the simplest method. Now we learn how to square a number whose unit place is 5. So suppose that square of 15, we want to square of 15 whose unit place is 5. Then this very simple method is put the square of the 5 is 25, and then here we put 1 into 1 exceed the number this 2. Next number in number system, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Here put the 2. That is the square of 15. 15 square is equal to 25. Similarly, if we want to square 35, then we put the square of the 5 is 25, and then in this place we write 3 into 1 number is more than this 4. Next number to 3, that is 4. 3, 4 is 12. We put here 12. We get the square of the 35. So similarly, we can square a number whose unit place is 5. Suppose the square of the 75. We want to square a square of 75. Then put first 25 square of this, and then multiply 7 into next number of 7 is 8. 56, we put here 56, that is the square of the 75. So this is the method of squaring a number. Now we also learn the square of a number whose unit place is 0. So the method is, first put the square of this number, that is 0, 1 or only 1, and put here 2 times 0. 1 0 means 2 times 0. In squaring, we put 2 times 0. If we have one number, then put 1 0, then put in a square 2 0. Similarly, if we want to square a 2 0 square, then we get 2 over 2. Square of 2 is 4 and 2 0. Yes. If we have 100 and square, then 1 square of 1 and put 4 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0. That is the method of squaring of a number in a simple steps. Okay.